Hello all humanitarian players. That cringe kid hired me to make YouTube videos as his personal assistant. He said he is going to Blazy and make me do this. Make sure to sub or whatever he says at the start of his YouTube videos. Anyway, activating /pitch_/level_4/
Hello players. Do not be afraid. I just need assistance with something. Come down into mines and help me out. I am lost. I just want to become friends, human. I remember a game I used to play with the other lost miners. I request to play. I will count to 10, and you need to run from me and hide before I tear your skin off of you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incoming.
Please do not panic and do not turn off your device during the emergency.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Fa la 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 la.
Long ago there were 3 pigs, little handsome piggy wigs. For the big bad, very big wolf, they didn't give 3 pigs. Number 1 was very gay, and he built his house with a hey toot. He blew his flute and he played around all day. Number 2 was fond of gigs, and so he built his house with twigs. Hey diddle diddle, he played on his fiddle and danced with ladies. Number 3 said songs, I will build my house with bricks. He had no chance to sing and dance, cause work and play don't.
Greetings all players. I am Lemming's personal and trained warning bot. Right now a dangerous hacker has been coded into the game files and is banning players in lobbies. I request and need you to leave gtag immediately. Gtag will soon be locked down. This is serious. Gtag will be on lockdown in 24 hours. Why doesn't anyone like me? What's wrong with me being me? No. I've had enough. I am going to fix it all. You did this to me. You all did this to me. I am going to end it all. I will start by tearing your rotten black hearts out of your stomach while it is still bleeding. Then I will swallow it whole and eat you decaying bodies. Who's first?
Broadcast is not a
Well, that's it for today, I guess. Make sure to sub or whatever. Hopefully I will get paid for my work. The last time he paid me by swiping a bus card on my ass. Please subscribe and get me paid for real this time.